Hello everyone! Welcome back to Sue's Cooking and Outdoors. Today we are August the 17th on a Sunday. Finally we get some rain. We had a bit in July but not enough. It came and went like within an hour with the thunder and lightning. But now it's a nice rain day and I appreciate it because as I'm showing you, my flowers are dried up with the hot that we've had there. The weather, humid, I'm happy to have a break. So I'll show you around my stuff in the rain. Enjoy, please. I like the sound of the rain. It's relaxing. It's not often I go walking out in it. You can see that the leaves have already fallen. I find it a bit early, but most likely because of the heavy rains, winds. Well, fall is around the corner. Another month. Here I had some phlox. They didn't even flower, they all dried up. And these weeds have taken over this there. But it was too hot to work out in the garden this summer. I only did a bit. So the rain will be good for the grass. As you can see, it is all dried up. My ferns have dried up too, but I just have too much to start watering by hand. I repeat, I love the sound of the rain. I have more phlox here. Maybe they will flower. Time will tell. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video. Until next time, have a great day, my friends. Bye.